In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the Quick Access toolbar. If you've ever wished your favorite tools were always just one click away, this is the simplest and fastest way to make that happen. The Quick Access toolbar, often called the QAT, sits near the top of your window in many popular apps. It's a small row of icons designed to hold your most used commands so you don't have to dig through menus every time. Before we begin, take a quick look toward the top of your screen. You should see a compact strip of icons, usually including save or undo. On the far right edge of that strip, there's a small down arrow. That arrow is your shortcut to quick customization. Give it a click, and a menu will drop down showing a curated list of popular commands, like save, undo, or print. This list is intentionally short and practical, so you can make quick changes without getting overwhelmed. To add a command to your Quick Access toolbar, simply check its box in that drop-down menu. The moment you check it, you'll see the icon appear right on the toolbar, ready to use. If you change your mind or want to tidy things up, uncheck a command and it disappears instantly. There's no extra confirmation needed, and nothing you do here will affect your files, so feel free to experiment. As you add items, watch how the toolbar updates in real time. This helps you gauge how many icons feel comfortable. A helpful tip is to keep the toolbar focused. Choose the actions you reach for constantly, like save if you prefer a single click, undo for quick corrections, or print if you produce hard copies often. The goal is speed and clarity, so avoid crowding it with tools you rarely use. A clean, predictable set of icons saves you more time than a long list you have to scan. If you're working across different documents or tasks, you can revisit that same dropdown anytime and tweak your selection. The changes take effect immediately, and you'll build a muscle memory for where each icon sits. That small consistency pays off with faster workflows and fewer clicks. To recap, click the small down arrow at the far right of the Quick Access toolbar, review the list of popular commands, and check the ones you want to appear. Uncheck anything you don't need. That's it, quick, safe, and instantly useful. With just a few thoughtful choices, your most important tools will always be exactly where you need them.